Seat Mii is a very similar car to the Volkswagen Golf and the Skoda Citigo. They share lots of oily bits underneath. They're also three very good city cars. The Volkswagen e-up has been out for a good while now. Skoda's recently revealed its Citigo-e EIV electric car, and now Seat has revealed the electric version of its Mii. The Mii Electric will in fact replace the petrol-powered car. Seat has kept the design really similar to the petrol-powered car, including keeping the mesh grille. The electric range is 161.5 miles, which is just a couple less than the Citigo EIV and a massive 80 more than the VW e-up. Charge time can be 0 to 80% in just an hour using a 40 kilowatt DC fast charger, 4 hours using a 7.2 kilowatt home wall box, or overnight using a normal household plug. Inside there is a redesigned dashboard. There's ambient lighting, bucket sport seats, and a personal favourite, heated seats. The interior is still really funky. To get any sort of infotainment, you do have to attach your phone to this cradle, and then there's a really easy app to use. Lane departure warning, cruise control, parking sensors, and traffic sign recognition are all standard, and boot space hasn't changed either, so that's still 251 litres. Production of the Seat Mii Electric will begin later in 2019, with first customer deliveries in early 2020. Seat hasn't confirmed pricing yet, but has said it will be one of the most affordable EVs on the market.